U MLA barim karang sakuna u Zenith sangma hak arkundai trik pisang ulawan pyniasoh biang syaka Kongres hadin ba ulami no naka All India Trinamool Congress AITC hak ba ulakan thok ting yang sorkar MDA balayalam dak NPP halor kijingken no bakala penjat ya kajela lingba ki kam bamsam habakren Syllad pathai kubor hadin bala pyniasoh biang syaka party u Zenith ula ong ba ula shim ya karai banwan pyniasoh biang syaka party Congress namar ushim bakadei kelong yang barim jong u kenang menyakun ya ka sorkar bamsam bat ban pelat emi kinong shong shnong gejela Meghalaya ka jinglong jingman bat ka rukam senchar kadar la kalong ha gejela Meghalaya bat kari barok kawai kila penjot ya kari ula ong u Zenith ubaladan benta bat ka Kongres la palat arpos nem ula keno bakani ka sorkar ba menta ha Meghalaya kadai ka babam sam bat kala penjat thiawi ki benta jogi jingtrai kam ba pher kunthop ya katanat boarding ka puli puthi bat ka koi ka kya halor ka jinga dei ka ba u henmen jong u Dr Mukul udange beteng bat ka TMC u Zenith ula ong ba umdan jingtip ya ki jingthmu bat ki jingmut ki jong ula ong ru bahaka san perthei omdan bahyang hasam bat ka ei ka bakong san ka dei na ka benta ka bahaka met jong ki pat ba haba kali halor ki jingthmu bahadien jong Dr Mukul u Zenith ula ong ba udei unongalam balayo bat shampang bha bat kan bha ban kali na u hi halor ki jingthmu jong nalor kata ula kentaj ru ban keren AA halor ka jinglong nongalam jong ka TMC dakaba ong bakasyong haki waipan ban bishar benya haba kali halor ka benta ka jong ha ka party Congress u Zenith ula ong ba udei usipai ba shisha jong ka party bat unle bat pendap ya ka no ka kam ka ba kinongalam kila benshet ha u
I once again want to share with you that as I had said, with sound mind and soul, I have consciously decided to rejoin in this all family, that is the Grand Old Party, which is the Indian National Congress. The rejoining of me into this Grand Old Party is that the prevailing situation across the state of Meghalaya and the country as well, the ruling dispensation, be it in the state of Meghalaya or at the center, they have been destroying the country. In the state of Meghalaya, we can see the jungle raj, rampant corruption from all fronts, not only in one department, in all social sectors, in MSCL, the electricity board, education, health sector, in every departments, because of the corruption. This present government is destroying this. So, therefore, I have decided that as I have been working closely with the Congress Party for more than 20 years, 2 decades, it's a long period of time, I once again felt that this is my own family. And by being in this platform, it will be more appropriate and conducive for me to fight against this corrupt government and rescue the people. Therefore, I have consciously decided to rejoin in the Indian National Congress Party. And as I always maintain that whichever party I was associated with, whichever party means only once I was away from Congress, I always maintain that I am a true soldier. I am against the corruption always. In my tenure as minister, if anybody can find out where I was involved, whether I was involved in any corrupt practice, that I can challenge. If the present government do some inquiry or investigation to the department I was looking after during my tenure also, I will not have any stress, because I am pretty sure that even a single dot was not misused in the file. So with full commitment, I voluntarily now rejoining the Congress party to serve the people of a beautiful state. I was very, very passionate with Congress party. And throughout my life, since I was a very young child, 12, 13 years, I was very active activist in politics. I was following my senior leaders. So since then, I had been part and parcel of the Congress party, internally and externally. So I was very passionate with the Congress party, and I personally like Congress party. But having said this, for certain obvious reason, I had to be away from Congress party for some time. In those periods, I was of course regretting, thinking that whether I have been doing some injustice. So now I have decided that, as I have said already, Congress would be the better platform, as I was doing the same previously also, to serve the people of the state. Every party, it all depends on the leadership, to be frank. So I don't want to comment on this, whether TMC is good, whether the leadership of TMC is good or bad. So it is up to you. You are very senior journalist, very intelligent, experienced, so be analytical on that, rather than I speak through my mouth.
Is your brother joining along with you here? Is he coming back to Congress?
Anybody is joining this question?
Everyone wants to know.
We are all asking.
We're all asking.
On behalf of all.
Yes.
Okay, I knew it. See, my brother means you are mentioning Dr Mukul Sama, right? He is a very tall leader, having long innings in politics, having lots of knowledge, wisdom, wealth of experience, as all of us know. So what he is thinking, what kind of thinking process is taking place in his mind, so these are best known to him only. So I request you to better ask him, and I'm not the authorized person to tell about him. So when the time comes, he may take any decision, that is up to him. So I don't want to dwell on this, and I request you better ask the same question to him only.